Hey friends, Tux here. You know, I made a video that I never released on this product about 2 years ago. If you go back in my queue, you'll see when I started doing the ones for the Top Flight Auto Bra. It was right around there. I made a video, and for whatever reason, sometimes I'll make videos, and I just will end up not putting them out, okay? And so I wanted to revisit this because this is a product I have been using now for about 2 years for the occasional scratch on a rim, okay? Of course, you know, if you have a nice sports car, you're trying very hard to protect it. And my C7 Corvette, my current one, I've been trying to be better. I had a red C7, we have a black C7, and then I got a blue convertible C7, and I've been trying to keep the rims really nice, okay? And it's a situation where sometimes you, almost beyond your control, you might just scratch a rim just slightly, you know? So that's where this product comes in. I have black rims, and this is black, and it really is indistinguishable from the original paint, okay? So if you have rims, and if you accidentally scratch them, which hopefully you won't do, you know, but if you do, this is a product I would recommend. This is how it comes, and I will have a link for this product right below from Amazon, okay? The exact one I use, and they might have different colors too, but black, glossy black is one that I have, and this is the type of thing where you just pop this off, take this, kind of color in the area, let it dry, and you will not notice the difference. It's really, really good. Okay, so here we are outside. I'm gonna do a little demo for you. Not a major scratch, but a little bit right there. You can kind of see where I just nicked it. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a little shake. Make sure it's all nice and mixed up. Of course, this is the fixed wheel scratch. And we'll take this off, and we'll just give this a little touch up. Okay, so to recap this very quick video, I just wanted to mention this could make a great gift for somebody, someone who has a nice sports car or a car they want to try and keep their rims nice, especially if they're black. You know, if you scrape them, they're going to be silver down below because this is black paint on a chrome rim, essentially. So this is something which will help save that rim, help the resale value of your car, help you feel better about it, help you forget the fact that you are an idiot and you scratched your rim. No offense. I mean, I've scratched my rim before too. So you always feel bad, and it always irks me when I do it, and this helps take the pain away just a little bit. Okay, this will actually make you forget you scratched it, because really once you cover it up, you really won't even notice it, really. So, and I want to say that it's the type of thing where it will definitely help the resale value of the car too. So very easy to use, very easy to buy, not expensive. Again, link in the description, okay? All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.